everybody! Welcome back to my Tutu channel. And again, this is Teacher Jallor, and for this video, we'll be talking about intersection of sets. But before that, on our previous video about the union of sets, natay gihatag nga practice exercise, which we will see kung ang inyong answer nga gi-send niyo sa comment section is correct ba. Okay, we have set A, which is the set of all x that are elements of the natural number such that x is less than 7, and we have set B, which is the set of all x that are elements of the natural number such that x is greater than or equal to 6 but less than 8. Unsa man ang union ni A ug ni B? Okay, unang sa nato pangita, unsa kay ni nga mga elements nga nani A ug nani B based on the example or based on the given. Sa ingon siya nga sa set A daw, x is an element of natural numbers. Unsa man ang mga natural numbers? Okay, they are counting numbers. Magsugod man tagihap from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So, unsa kay ni nga elements nga naani A? Okay, di ba ingon siya si x is less than 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For set B ingon siya nga si x is greater than or equal to 6 but less than 8. So unsa kay ni? Okay, 6 ug 7 ra. So ang union ni A ug ni B ani nga given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, congratulations. Okay, talking about the intersection of sets, we have here the intersection of two sets A and B is denoted by A intersect B, which is the set of all distinct elements that are in both A and B. Again, para matiman-an na pud nato ang unsay symbol ni intersection, timan-an nato tong, di ba, ang sa union, di ba? U kaysa union. Baliktad ra pud ana ang intersection. So baliktad nga U. Okay, an element X belongs to the intersection of the sets A and B if and only if X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Meaning to say that the intersection of A and B is just the set of all x that are both in A and B or elements of A and B. Okay, example na dayon ta. Proceed tag example para magkasinabot ta. So, natay given set A, adobo, siomai, boiled egg, fried fish. Sa set B, hotdog, beef loaf, adobo, boiled egg. Okay, unsa man pagpangita ni intersection ni B? Di ba ningon to nga the set of all distinct elements that are common or that are in both A and B. Unsa may common nga elements nga naa ni A ug ni B? Exactly, natay adobo, natay boiled egg. Therefore, ang intersection ni A ug B based on the given is just adobo and boiled egg. Oh, as easy as that. Okay, proceed to sa next example. Oy, mga brand day ni siya. So, sa set A, natay Jag, natay Levi's, natay Mr. Lee, natay Petrol. For set B, we have Krisa, natay Fubo, and Wrangler. Oh, as you can see, di ba, wala kitay nakitaan nga pariha nga elements or common nga elements nga nani ug ni B. Unsa man pasabot ani? Okay, correct. Ang intersection nila is null set. Meaning to say, pag null set gana ang intersection sa duha ka set, they are called disjoint sets or mutually exclusive events, which means that they have no elements in common. Okay. Wow. Third example, we have set A, negative 12, negative 7, 2, 9, and 16. For B, negative 12, 0, 2, 8, 16, and 19. Unsa may common elements kanani ni B? O sayo na kay pangitaw ng common. Natay negative 12, natay 2, natay 16. Therefore, A intersect B based on the given is negative 12, 2, and 16. Okay. For this video, magstorya na po ta sa properties sa intersection. First is commutative property sa intersection. So, A intersect B is just equal to B intersect A. Let us see if correct ba gid ni siya. So, we have an example of a set A which contains the elements 1 and 2. For set B, natay 2 and 4. Unsa may, so, sa left-hand side sa tadaan, A intersect B. I-simplify sa nato sila. Unsa may common ni A ug ni B? Yes, the element 2. So, ang intersection A and B is 2. Sa right-hand side, the intersection of B and A, unsa may common elements nga nani B ug nani A? Again, that is 2. Therefore, the intersection of A and B is just equal to the intersection of B and A. Second property of the katong intersection. So, intersection is associative. So, kani, A intersect the quantity of B intersect C is just the same with the quantity of A intersect B intersect C. So, let us see kung sakto ba gid siya nga property, kung correct ba siya nga property based on the example. Hatag din tag example, we have set A, which contains 1, 2, ug 3. Set B, 2, 4, and 5. Set C natay 2, 5, and 7. Let us simplify first again ang sulod sa parenthesis nga sa left hand side ta una. So B intersect C. Unsa may common nga elements kanani B ug ni C? Okay, that is 2 and 5. Kaning nga 2 and 5, i-intersect na po dato siya sa tanang elements kanani. Unsa man kay common ni B intersect C ug ni A? Okay, you're right, 2. And sa right hand side, tanaw na to kung sakto bagid atong claim nga A intersect B intersect C is just equal to A intersect B intersect C. So sa right hand side, i-simplify na to ang sulod sa parenthesis, which is A intersect B. Kasi common kay nga nani A ug nani B based on the given. Okay, that is 2. So, kani si 2, i-intersect na po nato ni siya ni 2, 5, ug 7. So, common ani nila is again 2. Therefore, correct ang ato ang claim nga A intersect B intersect C is just the same with A intersect B intersect C. Therefore, intersection is associative. Third, A intersect A is just equal to A. Given, we have A, 1 and 2. Oh, intersect na to si 1 ug 2 ni 1 and 2. Di ba? Common elements rin nila si 1 and 2. Therefore, the intersection of A and A is just equal to A. Okay. Fourth na data. Oh, A intersect the universal set is just equal to A. We have here universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And set A, natay 1 ug 2. Unsa may common elements nga nani ug nani universal set? You're right. Katang na ni A nga kuan 1 ug 2. So, therefore, A intersect the universal set is just equal to A. Again, this is only applicable if A is a subset of the universal set. Okay, last, A intersect null set is just null set. Kung sa may intersection ni 1 ug 2 sa wala, di ba? Wala sila common. Okay, therefore, the intersection of A and the null set is just equal to null set. Okay, we're done already. We'll now again have the practice exercise. So again, drop all your answers in the comment section and let us see in the next video if your answers are correct. So try lang good. Ayaw magkadlok mag-try. Okay, we have here set A which contains the set of all x that are elements of natural number such that x is less than 6. And set B, we have here the set of all x that are elements of the natural number such that x is greater than or equal to 3 but less than 8. Find the intersection of A and B. So, that's it for this video. See you in the next one and we will check all your answers on the next video. So, bye! Thank you!